Yes, if you do not understand this concept, you will always be on the wrong side of the market. If you do not understand this concept I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, you're going to be in the wrong side of the market every time. Now, this is called the market maker's power of three: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, the market makers are big hedge funds, big banks, large financial institutions that come into the forex market with very large amount of money. You and I are retail traders, not because of the strategies that we trade or we use to trade the forex market, but because of the capital, the equity that we have. We don't have as much money to be a match to the forex, to the market makers or the hedge funds, the large financial markets. All right, large financial companies and institutions. So you need to trade the same way they trade. You need to know when they enter into the market, because when they get into the market, they move the market so much. So if you are trading against them, against their market direction, you will always be on the wrong side of the market all the time. You always be on the wrong side of the market all the time. So that is why I'm sharing this with you. So the principle of AMD, okay, the principle of AMD: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, I've said it, I've made a previous video on this, but I want to throw more light on this subject because it is very, very important, very, very vital to you. All right, so this is when the market, when you see every day the market opens with what is called the accumulation. You can see it right here. The market opens with accumulation, and when the market opens with accumulation, it moves. The accumulation is basically, in other words, the accumulation is basically consolidation or range. The market range is from the Asian session. All right, the Asian session is the mostly the beginning of the market. All right, market ranges, and after it ranges, it opens with a range. When it ranges, it breaks out of the range, what we call the manipulation. And when it breaks out of the range, retail traders would trade the breakout, put their stop loss right here. Stop loss will be right here. The retail traders will trade the breakout, enter into the trade right here, put their stop loss right here, not knowing that it is a form of trap. It's a trap. When they enter a buy trade right here, they don't know that it's a trap by the market makers in order to take out their stop losses, in order to cancel their stop losses. When they've gotten into the market on a buy, not knowing that this is only a trap, so all stop losses will be accumulated right here, and then the market will now distribute right down. So there will be a big sell that will now take out all stop losses, and when this big sell happens, the market makers would take, their aim is to do what? Is to take out their exit their market positions. And you see the market will now, they take out their positions here, the market will now consolidate right here. This is a daily candle. All right, this is a daily candle. This is a daily candle. The market opens right here, all right, and then manipulates this. It opens with an accumulation and manipulates the retail traders into a buy position, and now there will be a sell, which is called the expansion phase or the distribution phase. This is very, very important. It's very, very important. Look at it right here. It's very, very important. Yeah, okay. It is important. Look at it. The market opens. This is the open. The market opens right here. Now consolidates. When it consolidates, and this is usually at the Asian session, just as I have depicted in this diagram. This is the Asian session. And now retail traders are trapped into a sell position. As the market consolidates, retail traders put their stop loss right here and they enter a sell position because the market makers move the market at the London Open in a form of manipulation. They move the market at the London Open. This is the accumulation. This is the manipulation. They move the market in order to appear as if it is going to be a sell market, and stop losses will be placed right here, just at the other side of the accumulation. All right, and now as the London session progresses, or mostly at the New York session open, the market will now distribute into a buy, taking out all these stop losses. All right, so you need to understand this concept. The concept states that when the market makers wants to go in a particular direction, when they want to go in a particular market direction, let's say the market makers want to buy. If they want to buy the market, what they do, the action they will take is to have what is called a small a small sell. Let's have it right here. When the market makers want to buy, they will give you a small sell. So when everybody have entered into the sell, they will now have what is called the big buy. And the intention of the big buy is to raid all stop losses, to clear out all the stop losses of the sell and make money. You know, stop losses are liquidity. Liquidity drives the market. All right, stop losses is money and liquidity of retail traders. All right, so now the intended direction was to buy, but they will go in the opposite direction of into a sell in order to manipulate you as a retail trader, in order to appear as if the market is going to sell. And now before they end, in order to accumulate stop losses, they will now enter a big buy. Now the reverse is the case for the other situation. If they want to sell the market, intended direction is to sell the market. This is the intended direction to sell the market. What they do is to do a small buy. And when they've done a small buy, they now enter, when everybody has got into a small buy, they now enter a big sell right here. They now enter into a very big sell. That is the principle of AMD. All right, so you need to understand this concept, and this happens every day on your chart. This happens every day. You need to be able to understand this. You need to be able to depict and identify this on your chart every day, and so that you can be on the right side of the market. And it happens in relation to the various sessions of the market. All right, it happens in relation to the various sessions of the market. The Asian session is the accumulation. The market opens with the Asian session. This is the accumulation phase, and then the market now manipulates you into a position, either a buy or a sell. And once the market manipulates you into a position, just know that is the opposite direction that the market wants to go to at the New York Open. All right, if it is a sell, then know that the market will now go in a buy, not just a buy, but a big buy, in order to take out all stop losses right here. And that happens at the New York Open. All right, so I made a previous video on this, as I told you. I'm going to be linking that video in the description box of this video, so that is a foundation for this new video. But this new video is to throw more light into that concept, because after that I released that video, many of you appreciated the time I took to make that video. That is why I am making this one for you, so that you can understand it more clearly and more better. So try to refer to that video. All right, and if you're here to join our first Telegram channel, please join that channel. You are doing yourself a disservice if you have not joined our free Telegram channel. All right, you see how we made so much profits from the trades I released this week so far. So much profit. So you see how I made so much profit right here on this trade. All right, on those trades. So you're going to be making a lot. You're going to be doing yourself a favor if you join that Telegram channel. The link to that Telegram channel is in the description box of this video, and also in the profile section of this YouTube channel. All right, and if you want me to train you, mentor you to become a profitable forex trader, DM me, send me a DM. My contact details in the description box is in the Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel link is in the description box of this video. All right, so you can see what we're talking about right here as well. This is a buy. This is a bullish daily candle. It's a bullish daily candle. You can see the market opens right here. And this is the Asian session by accumulation, and now manipulation, and now distribution at the New York Open. This is the London session. All right, so this is the London session. All right, this is the London session. The London session is characterized by the manipulation, and now the New York Open is the distribution. All right, the distribution or the expansion, as some people call it. Right, so this is very, very important. You know this. Okay, this is it as well. This is for a buy scenario. This is for a buy scenario. The market opens. The market opens right here by means of accumulation. And now this is accumulation, now distribution, and now a manipulation at the London session. And now at that manipulation, you have the low of the day. The manipulation is it takes you to the low of the day. All right, and when that low happens, what you need to do when the low happens, when the low of the day happens, after the breakout of the manipulation of the accumulation, you look for what is called the change of character right here, change of character. If you don't know what is change of character or return to order block, I've made a video on that, and that is the concept of the smart money entry. Smart money entry. So smart money entry confirmation strategy. I've made a video on that. Please do not fail to view that. So you now have your return to order block right here. All right. So this is our entry. These are stop loss somewhere here or here. Stop loss somewhere here or here, and you now ride the market up to this position. All right, so stop losses will be rated of retailers who do not know this concept will be rated right here. All right, their stop losses will be rated right here. But for you as a smart money trader who understand the concept of the AMD, your stop loss will be right here, but you are entering right here. After this, there's a change of character and return to that block right here. So this is your entry on this trade, and now you ride the market up to this position until when it closes, the market closes. All right, so this is a very, very important concept you should know. Let us see some examples of how this have played out. All right, you can see right here, this is a chart example. This is a chart example how you can see the accumulation, you can see the manipulation right here. This is the Asian session, this is the London. You can see there's a break of structure right here to the upside, which is the change of character and return to that block. Your entry is somewhere around here. Your stop loss should be here, or this is a tight stop loss. This is a liberal stop loss. All right, and you ride the market. You ride the market up there. So this is a short example to depict this AMD. It happens every day, and you can see that your period separator is around here. If you want to know, if you want to know how this happens more, you can install your period separator. Go to your MT4 chart. MT4 chart. You go to settings. If you go to settings, just activate period separator. What this will do for you is that it's going to separate your chart. The period is basically a line that separates one day from another. All right, it separates one day from another. You can see that here. You can see that here. Right, I've activated it right here. Now you can see this is one day, this is another. This separates, this line is a period separator line. It separates one day from another, and it helps you to be able to know this AMD. So because once you see the line, you know that you are entering into the manipulation, into the AMD, all right, into the Asian session, accumulation, manipulation, and then you see the distribution right there. All right, so this is another day as well. So you need to put that line if you want to use this strategy. If you are using TradingView, just install or activate the indicator called the sessions separator. All right, sessions. The indicator has to do with sessions. What it does is that it colors the various sessions with different colors on your chart, so that you can be able to identify when you are entering an Asian session, or you're in the London session, in the New York session. All right, so you need to install this. It will help you. Even if you don't install it, you should know that London GMT, if London GMT 00 GMT shows you that you have entered a new day, and that is basically the Asian session. And now from around 6 a.m., 8 a.m., that is when you're looking at having the of London GMT. That is when you are looking at having the manipulation phase. All right. Now from around 1 p.m., let me just write it down for you. Around 00 GMT, you are looking at 2. Okay, let's have it well. From 00 GMT to around 5 a.m. GMT, you're looking at around the accumulation phase. Now from around 6 or 8 a.m. to maybe 12 p.m. GMT, you're looking at having like the manipulation phase. 1 or 2 p.m. GMT, this is GMT. This is the New York Open period. All right, this is the New York Open, or the London, the London New York kill zone. All right, so this period you should be looking at having around this period, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. This is the New York Open period. You should be having your distribution phase. You just need to depict that. It might not be an exact time, but it's just like a period. You need to know the London and New York Q zone. So this is the time that you're looking at killing this market. All right. So very, very important. Look at this another chart example. This is accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. This is a period separator. Can you see? This is the accumulation. The market now goes down in the distribution, in the manipulation, and now you look for entry confirmation right here in your lower time frame, and you're going to get into the trade. All right. If you don't know yet how to do entry confirmation, I've told you that I'm going to link that video in the description box of this video. Try and view it. It's very, very important. It's going to help you as well. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do not forget, subscribe to our channel. All right, and give this video a thumbs up if you find value from this video. Also share with your friends so that we can grow together in this channel, so we can reach more traders and help them to become profitable. All right, and I've told you also, join our free Telegram channel. If you want me to mentor you, join. Contact me and I'm going to mentor you. This is for a sales scenario. The accumulation phase, manipulation phase, and the distribution phase on a daily candle has been depicted on a daily candle. It happens on a daily. You can see that in a daily candle. All this happens on one daily candle, but you may not be able to see it until you go down to maybe a lower time frame. This is a daily candle, but this could be like your M15 or M30 or thereabouts. All right, so you see it clearly as it happens. Okay, now look at this. This is a sharp example of this. This is a sharp example of this. You can see the accumulation, manipulation, and this is the manipulation and distribution. All right, distribution. So this is a sharp example of that. Your entry is somewhere around here, stop loss somewhere around here, and this is your take profit somewhere around here. Your take profit. All right, so this is another one. We have installed the period separator. This is where we've installed the period separator. This is the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. You see the stop loss, small stop loss right here, entry after smart money entry confirmation strategy, and down. This is your take profit right here. Very lovely strategy that will help you to make a lot, and be on the right side of the market. All right, this is another one. Go to your chart and try and identify this. It works every day. It happens every day. So you are leaving money at the table if you don't know this strategy. If you are leaving money at the table if you do not know this strategy, you are leaving money at the table if you do not know this strategy. All right, you are leaving money at the table if you do not know this strategy. So go to your chart. I'm giving you an assignment. Go to your chart and backtrace this, how this has happened over the years, over the months. Every day happens every day on various charts. Backtrace it and try and start trading it. It will help your trading career. All right, it will help your trading career to become a more profitable, proficient and profitable forex trader. All right, so if you want me to mentor you, I will mentor you. I have a lot of people I mentor privately, and why I do my one-on-one mentorship is because I believe that every individual has their own individual learning curve. All right, I take you by the hand until you become successful. If you're a newbie trader, I can help you. If you're a strong trader, I can help you as well at a very, very low compensation. All right, a very, very low cost. So do contact me for a help on how you can become profitable. Whatever thing you have passing through in your trading career, I have been through it. All right, I have been through whatever challenge you are passing through. So, and I know exactly how to come in to help your trading career to experience a change. All right, and do not forget to join our free Telegram channel, because I post chart analysis almost every day. I post chart analysis that can help you to know the trading direction that I'm taking, or to know the trading direction that I'm taking, so that you can as well trade at your own discretion. All right, so do not fail to join our free Telegram channel. And if you find this content useful, please subscribe to this channel, and share our videos with your friends, with other traders, so that they can also as well become profitable and successful in their various trading career. Do not give up on trading, because in no distant time you're going to start seeing results. View all the videos in this channel, and you're going to see some improvement, a lot of improvement in your trading. So till I come your way next time, do have a wonderful and a